So about myself, I am Sunny Moria. I have total experience of 4 years, and this is my first session in Drupal camp. And I am little nervous as well, so please cooperate. And I am working at Excellent Technology since last 3 years, and worked across multiple projects, multilingual and digital content and media and publications. Also, I was part of Drupal volunteer in 2019, from where I started my career in Drupal. So before participating in Drupal camp in Mumbai as a volunteer, I was very fresh and new in the Drupal community. And apart from that, I also presented session at Meet Camp, USA, virtually. And as a hobby, I like to travel new places. So agenda of this call is, in the content creation market, we will see what are the challenges content creators are facing and how AI can help them, and how we can integrate the OpenAI in Drupal ecosystems. And then after we will see live demo. In the live demo, we will go through the integration part, content manipulation and summarization. Also, we'll see how translation works with the AI in the Drupal ecosystem for the multilingual sites. Also, we will see for the two major use case, alt tag image and generate meta tag. So these two use cases, the idea in my mind come from for this topic because one of my client was facing the difficulties while they are uploading the image. They have to manually write the alt tag for the image for enhancing the web accessibility of the sites. So that is their major pain point. So we, as a team, we thought on that pain point, and we come with the solution, that is integrate the AI in the Drupal ecosystem. And now we have implemented that in the client project, and client is very happy with the solution, and they are using on the daily basis. And the same with the meta tag also. For the meta tag, they have to write the summary part manually, or they have to put, we can put the field value from the body field. So that is not a descriptive way to create a meta tag. So these two major use cases we propose the client, and client is very happy. And from where I got the idea to present this topic at the Drupal camp. And at the end, we will see what are the benefits by integrating the OpenAI in Drupal ecosystem. And at the last, we will discuss all the questions. So first, what are the challenges in the content creation? So as we know that the content creation is essential part of our marketing for any content website like news site, or any non-organization site like we can call UN sites like OSCHR and other United Nations sites where global article has been published. So this is the essential part for their marketing to reach the content to broader audience, and to edit the content, add the content and publish the content. All this process taking a lot of time, and editors also have the tight deadline to publish the content on time. And the major common problems they face, that is the time consuming process. They have to first draft the content, and that will take around 4 hours, 8 hours to draft the initial phase of the content. And the second part is error in consistency. Obvious, as a human, we are doing the lots of error while typing, and that is the grammatical mistakes. And that is the major part for the content editors. Even though we are writing a normal email, we are doing the mistakes in the grammatical. And last thing is that is the struggling with the SEO optimization. Content editor provide the content, but does that content is optimized? Content editor are not sure about the optimization. So that are the challenges with the current situations. And why AI in the content creation? As all of you know that AI is a revolution in the IT industry, and many organizations adopt the AI, and also we have fear of that we will lose the job. We will not lose the job if you are not using the AI in our day-to-day work. And AI give us the more feasibility to create a content within a second. If you want to draft the content, just give the prompt to AI and that will give a draft content within a second to you. It take around 20 seconds or 30 seconds and your draft content will be ready. Initially that will take 8 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, but now it will take only 30 seconds. So that's why AI is important in the content creation industry. And next, we will see the traditional approach and the AI driven approach. Previously, in the traditional, the approach is the time consuming, but with the help of the AI, it's save hours, many hours. And with the traditional, there's lots of errors in our grammatical mistakes, but AI ensure all the consistency and make it the proper and form the sentence. And the SEO optimization, as content editor is not more aware and it's also required the separate effort to optimize your content, but AI will generate automatically. Personalization, to make the content to target our audience, so we have to change the tone of the content by manually. That will also take lots of time, but AI can tone your content within a second. Just give the prompt to AI and that will tone your content like friendly, professional, for a child or for the adult. That will tone your content for the target audience. And scaling the content, also in the traditional it's taking the human efforts, but it can be scalable the 100 piece of the content instantly. So this is our traditional and this is our AI driven content creation approach. Next, how AI can help. Implementing the AI automate your content creation like ChatGPT-3 and ChatGPT-4. ChatGPT-4 it's giving the more accurate data than other models of ChatGPT. It generates your blog description, all other material, the content within a 30 seconds or 1 minute. And it's also translate your content within 1 or 2 minutes. For translating content, it takes time because we are hitting the API from Drupal ecosystem to ChatGPT. And why we choose the ChatGPT, only ChatGPT for the translation? Because as per the industry and ChatGPT-4 model giving the more accurate translation other than other translator platform like Google Translator or DLL method. So ChatGPT-4 is currently giving the accurate data as per the other. So that's why we are going to the ChatGPT-4 for the content translation. And AI also improved the NLP. And this, as I said in the previous slide, it tone your content within a second and you can customize your content for the targeted audience, boost the performance and also save the times. For the integration, we will see I use the AI module in the Drupal. We have the AI module. So I will show you. So this is the module which provides lots of feature in Drupal ecosystem. You can just install the module and give the API key for your ChatGPT and other AI provider. Currently it comes with the first AI core. AI core is the main part of the module which handles all the authentications. Explorer, this has the many feature like convert text to image, convert image to text, text to speech, speech to text, and all other benefits also comes with the AI Explorer. And we can also integrate the AI in the CK editor field. So you no need to go to the ChatGPT and write your prompt, then get the content, copy from the ChatGPT and paste in the CK in your Drupal content and the edit form again. So no need to copy paste. Just give the prompt in your CK editor field, you will get the content. And translate. So in the multilingual side, we always face the problem to translate the content. As a developer, we don't know other language. Like if you are working on the multi-language side, like you have a language Arabic, you don't know about the Arabic, but you want the content Arabic to test your some features. So you go to the other site and copy the Arabic content, the paste in your system, and then do your testing. But with the AI translate, you can just click one button and it will translate all the content on your page. So we will see the AI. So first, I have installed the module. AI core. Once you have land to the AI setting page, you see the all the authentication for the AI provider. For the AI provider, we have the multiple AI provider. So right now I am using two AI provider. One is OpenAI and one is alt text AI, that is for the image to generate the alt text for the image, and all other features will be handled in the OpenAI only. To integrate the OpenAI, you have to go this page. I have enabled the key module. The key module, you can create your key and add the key value here, and just on the page OpenAI, you can just select your key. In the OpenAI, just one moment. From the OpenAI, you have to create your API key from your the profile. Just log in the OpenAI, and in the profile section, you will see the user API. You can create the user API for all the project, or else you can create a API key for the specific project. So I have created the API authentication key and used in the here. That's the part of the integration. There is no too much work for the integration. Just install the module, copy the API key and paste in the key settings. You are good for, and now you are able to use the OpenAI in your Drupal ecosystem. Now we will see all the features of what are the available in the Drupal ecosystem. So first we will go through the OpenAI in the CK editor. So for that, I have enabled the Open API AI Explorer, and that integrate the part of integrate the functionality for the CK editor. And for the CK editor, you have to go to the text format editor and add the plugin in your editor field, like here, and do all the settings here. All are the basic settings. Just choose your GPT model. So I am using GPT-4, and for your information, GPT-4 is the paid version. If you are testing for your own learning purpose, then you can use GPT-3 model. And for the translate and for the tone, so you have to create a taxonomy vocabulary where you can add your all the languages as a term, and while the translating your content, you will get the language name on the CK editor field, and same with the tone as well. So I will show you the functionality in the CK editor field. So here we will get the one extra button, AI assistance. Here we have the benefits like generate with API, reformat, summarize, tone and translate. So we'll go with the generate with the AI. give a prompt, write an article. I am taking Sir Ratan Tata. I just give this small phrase of prompt, and it will take time to generate your content. So once it's ready, then waiting for response will be become an ideal state. So we have to wait, and it will generate. See, as you see, I just write an article on Sir Ratan Tata. I did not give any other keyword to format in the HTML, but you can see it's taking the head as a H2 and formatting content as per the user view. See, all this is the formatted by itself. We have to do nothing. Just save changes to CK editor. So this is the content. If you have to write an article on Sir Ratan Tata, you have to Google and copy and paste in your field. So this way you have to create content. But now just give a prompt and your draft article ready. You can publish or you can review. Just give the title. Save the content. You can see content is formatted. I do nothing. I just give a prompt, a small prompt. All our content is ready, and this can also published on your site. So this is the benefit of AI in having the CK editor field. Again, so if you want to format the HTML, just click on select the text and reformat the HTML and click on the reformat. It will reformat your HTML again. If you have pasted the comment from anywhere else from any other site, that is not reformatted. So you just paste in your CK editor field and reformat in your CK editor field by one click. This takes little time and it will give the result. So now it's generating. You can see response is coming as a writing. In the background, you can see we have the space in the heading and the paragraph. But after the reformat, the space has gone. Now it's looking more accurate and user. If I click on the view, now it's more user interactive article. Now there is no extra padding and gapping in the content. So this is the use of the AI in the CK editor field. And also you can tone your content. For the tone, as mentioned in the previous slide, you have to create a taxonomy vocabulary where you have to define the tone. I will show you. I have created the tag. Here you have to define the tone, in which tone you want to transfer the article. So I will use the friendly and the professional for now. Let me make it friendly and change the tone. So this feature is useful when you are using any story like comic story, where you can make your article like tone the article for the child audience, that they can interact more to your article. Usually it not take time this much. It might be taking time because of internet. So now the title is changed. Previously it's like Sir Ratan Tata, a pillar of Indian industry, but now cheer to legend Sir Ratan Tata. So you can see the difference in the title. So this title is now looking more friendly. And other things as we also translate and summarize the content. Translate the part we will see with the other. So next is generate the meta tag for the SEO enhancement. So we will take the same example. Here we have the meta tags. By default, we have put the page title, note summary, and abstract. But note summary field is empty, so there will be no data. When I am saving the content, there is no data. But with the help of AI, just click on this button. It will generate the text for your these fields for the basic text. See here, title here is title, description. Based on the body field value, it's captured and summarize the content and put the description in one paragraph, and the abstract and here keyword also, the major keyword of this article. Click on the save and your text were present in the content. So this is the useful for the SEO optimization. So you don't need to worry about description, abstract, page title or keyword. Majorly page title is same as title, but summary, if we are giving the summary in the starting paragraph, this might not fulfill the requirement of this content. But with the help of AI, it scraps all the content and based on the content, find the data and summarize the content and give the more constructive description for your article. So in this way, you can optimize your content on the search engine, and it can also go to the broader audience. So this is a use case where we have provided to our client, and they are really like it, and now they are using in their project. And the same thing, next one is generate the alt tag for the image. For the alt tag image, I have used a different module because that is not currently in the AI module, but in the future that also clubbed in the AI module. As per the module maintainer, they are discussing to club both alt text module into the AI module as well. So this is the module I am using. So for this, we have connected to AI provider, alttext.ai and Azure. But for now, I am using the alttext. This is the free, and use the API key. Save the configuration. For the alttext AI settings, log into the alttext.ai. On the account page, you will get the API key. You have to generate the API key. In the settings, you have give the style, level of details for the AI model. So for example, you are uploading an image. So how much content you are expecting from AI to add in your alt text. So I am taking the consigns. You can also get the select the elaborated, but it will give a paragraph that is not the standard way for the images. So we going with the consigns. So we will see in the Drupal. Edit the content. Here we select the files. I am taking the example, this image. It takes few seconds and it will generate automatically. Here you can see text is here. We have to know or worry about the add the alt tag for your images. So this is the second use case where our client is using. They are the main pain point while they are publishing. They have always upload the multiple images on their story article where they have to add the alt tag manually. But with the help of this solution, they no need to worry about the alt tag. Just upload the image, they will get the tag and they just review. If they doesn't like, they can improve the image, improve the text or remove this image and re-upload again, and it will again give the different alt tag for the same image. And this feature also works with the media directory as well. So here we can also see can use the same functionality. I will use this image. See, for the image is car, and over the car there is some luggage. So it gives a car overloaded with the bag and belongings with people inside, and on top label increased protection. So it gives a accurate description for your image. And it can also use in your media directory. So here you can also use. For now on my local is not working due to the file permissions. So but it can be used from here as well. Sometimes client or always wants to the folder where they have to saving the images, not just only while adding the content. They have to add the image and later on they will use that image again. So they wants to add the image from here. So that this functionality also achieved from here. So currently this is not working my local. So this is for the alt tag. And next is the translation. So for the multilingual side, we don't know about the other languages, but we want to translate on local, and content editor also struggling with the editors. So ChatGPT-4 gives the accurate data, and you can see this article here. People are discussing and they are suggesting that GPT-4 beats all other translation, including Google and DeepL, and giving the accurate data. You can go to the reddit.com and just filter the search for the ChatGPT translation. You will get this article. So for the same image, same content, I will take different content because it will take time. Google Translate, and here we will get the button like translate it using ChatGPT-4. So use as per your requirement, just click on any translation, it will generate the content for you. But it will take time, one minute or maximum 2 minutes, based on your size of the content. Sometimes it also takes some more than 2 minutes. Because we are hitting the third API and it takes time to generate the content for other languages. Same with the French, it's working. Let's see how much time it takes. It takes time, around 1 minute. translation is done. Is anyone here who knows French? Okay, someone is saying Google. Let's translate it. This is something giving introduction. This and our content is the first word is different. If anyone expert, then they can recognize what is the difference between those. We can also try with the Hindi. I hope everyone knows Hindi.
It translate from French to English.
I think that translation is much more accurate than the.
So let's give the short introduction to Drupal. Let me check our translation. Brief introduction to Drupal. For Hindi and Marathi language, it's taking more time than other language like French, Russian, Spanish, Arabic. For Hindi, Marathi is taking more time, and other Indian language also. Now it's done. You can see it's giving Drupal पर संक्षिप्त परिचय. It's proper Hindi. Now you can also do for the Marathi.
Can we change the tone?
Yes. You can click on the edit. For the toning, you have to just use in the CK editor field, not other field like entity reference other field. You cannot use here. But for that, you have to use the different model, that is the ChatGPT OpenAI. So that is the separate from the OpenAI. With the help of that model, you can use that for the entity reference field also. See, I have give the first is giving coming as a friendly, but now it's automatically take the value. Let's see how Drupal is friendly to us. So आइए Drupal 10 के साथ मिले. This is the title.
Much better than.
So you can tone your article as per your target audience. So let's complete it. This also for the responses, giving the response only. उन्नत प्रदर्शन. Let's see meta tag for this content, for the translated content. It's might not working with the translation. So see, this is the Hindi version of the same article, and we put in the friendly मित्रवत Drupal team जो दोस्त बने. And next we will see the text to speech, speech to text. I will use the for these features you don't have to do any integration. Just enable the AI Explorer module and all the integration will automatically take care of itself. And we also have the chat GPT, the browser things in your Drupal ecosystem itself. Here you can give your prompt and select the model in which model you want to want data. We also see this. Let's see what AI knows about Drupal Camp 2024. But this will not give you formatted. It's give you just raw data. So many times I ask this question to this from my account. That's why I mention as of my last update. AI does not have any more information on the camp Pune, but you can also integrate this functionality in your code at any place. You can see the example of the code here. This is for the developer. Just see, you can just integrate this functionality and get the message from your custom field and call the OpenAI provider and pass to the provider chat method. So you will also get the code. This code can be used at any place, and I have validated this code and this is working. We will see first text to speech. Let's see what it's. So we can also save the media, but due to some configuration issue, it gives the error. So I just generate an audio. This is not a model issue. This is my local system issue because we can save the image as well. So let's generate the audio response. It takes time based on the text. Yeah, it's completed and we can listen.
Ratan Tata, visions of a grander India, strong
Audible to
sense
everyone?
of business acumen, and an unquenchable thirst for growth.
Just
This captures an iota of the impact made by Sir Ratan Tata. Cheers to the legend, Sir Ratan Tata, visions of a grander India, a strong sense of business acumen, and an unquenchable thirst for growth. This captures an iota of the impact made by Sir Ratan Tata. The extraordinary journey of transforming Tata Group into a worldwide powerhouse and a firm belief in ethical business practices are awe-inspiring. Steps towards greatness. Early years and learning, a star is born. One fine day on December 28, 1937, in the city of Bombay, British India, the world welcomed Sir Ratan Tata, nurturing the intellect, shaping an illustrious mind with a degree in architecture and structural engineering from the renowned Cornell University, and further polishing it with an advanced management program from Harvard Business School, marks his scholastic journey.
So see, this is the output from the text to speech. We can also create our own podcast. Just give your article and it will create audio for you, and you can use that for your podcast. And again, we also have the code for this functionality, and you can enable it on your local at any features where you want to. For any site where you want to give the audio functionality for any articles for the visual impaired person, you just enable this functionality and give a button or any voice command that play the video on the article page, and this functionality can be used, and this is very useful for the visual impaired persons. And next, same we will see speech to text generation. So I have downloaded the MP3 file. Let's generate the text.
Sorry, text to speech, do we have any voice changing options?
Yes. Let me see.
Yeah, there is.
Here you have the option. From any of this, you can select the option to change the tone. We will select the Nova this time. Let's see what the output of the same paragraph.
Cheers to the legend, Sir Ratan Tata.
First we see the man, now is a lady.
Visions of a grander India, a strong sense of business
same
acumen, and an unquenchable
Output, and
thirst for
we are
growth.
having the
This captures an
the
iota of
same,
the impact made by
value of
Sir
the
Ratan Tata.
we'll see to the next level. Speech to text.
How many times have you heard people say, this can't be done?
Just we can see just display the
How many times have you heard people say, this can't be done? It's your job to remove those myths and to get things done. Do not grow with the view that something can't be done and so should not be done. Learn and listen, because your whole world is going to be.
So you can see the same text, same content we are getting in the text as well. So the last we will see text to image. If you want to generate any image based on your prompt, go to here. I will just see any option from audience. What image you want to
You write that on.
Okay. Can you copy the same on
All text and then we will see.
Okay. Here we can also say choose the size, and we can also save as the media or the images. People in protective clothing conduct field work, digging in a grassy area with the palm tree. And you can see this is the image, this is the real image, and this is the AI generated image. So that's it from the demo part. And what will be the benefit of using this AI? The most benefit is the saving your time, and time is money. And second, ensure consistency. We often see that there is a lots of mistake in our content, and we take always help of the other tool, but AI will do for all it and boost the content discoverability, SEO optimization. That's all for the session.